Okay, let's take a look at the perimeter questions now. The first 4 questions are non-calculator. So find the perimeter of these squares. Now what do we know about squares? Well, squares have equal sides, so all of these sides are 5. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 4 times 5, and that is therefore 20 centimetres. 1b, if the side length is 2, then the perimeter is 4 lots of 2, which is 8 centimetres. For 1c, if the side is 8, then the perimeter is 4 times 8, and 4 eighths are 32 centimetres. If the side length is 1, then the perimeter is 4 times 1, which is 4 centimetres. For the perimeter of a rectangle, it might be worth writing in the sides that haven't been labelled. So remember, opposite sides are equal. So this side is 3, this side is 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, or it's 4 plus 3 doubled. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So the perimeter is 14 centimetres. And for this one, if you want to do my sort of shortcut method, 9 plus 5 and double it. 9 plus 5 is 14, double 14 is 28, or mark in the other side lengths as well. Remember, opposite sides are equal, so we've got 9 plus 9, which is 18, plus 5, which is 23, plus 5, which is 28. Again, 2 by 1, so this side here is 1, this side is 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6 centimetres, or 2 plus 1 is 3, and then double it to get the 6. 16 plus 12, that comes to 28, and if you double 28, you get 56 centimetres, although with this one maybe it is easier just marking in the other side. 16 plus 16 is 32, plus 12 is 44, plus another 12 is 56. So remember, you can't use a calculator for that question. Question number 3, again the perimeter is just a question of adding up all the side lengths. It doesn't matter what type of shape it is. So here I would just recommend adding them in a logical order. So for example, 18 plus 2 makes 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, plus the 1 is 41. For 3b, so it's 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5, or 9 plus 9 is 18, 5 plus 5 is 10, so 18 plus the 10, that's 28 centimetres. For 3c, again, just some relatively straightforward addition here. 4 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimetres. Just be careful with these, make sure you add up all the sides and make sure you don't inadvertently add one side twice. So for 3D, again, bit of an issue this one for a non-calculator. The numbers are a little bit nasty. So let's just add up the 30s. So let's forget the 4, the 9, the 0 and the 3. So 30, 60, 90, 120. Now just add up the units. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So 120 plus the 16 comes to 136 centimetres. And for number 4, so first of all we need to show 2 ways of splitting this shape into 2 rectangles. Well, we can either draw a line down here, and now we've got a rectangle to the right and a rectangle to the left here, or just ignoring this line altogether, we can put in a line here to create a rectangle here and a rectangle here. Although converting it into 2 rectangles, I would say, is something that you do when you're working out the area. I don't think it's really particularly helpful when you're working out the perimeter of the shape. Now, to find the perimeter of the shape, we need to add all the sides together. Now, we don't know this side length and we don't know this side length. Let's take a look at this side length here. Well, we know it's 18 centimetres from here to here, and then 3 centimetres from here to here. So therefore, this whole side is 18 plus 3, which is 21. If it's 25 centimetres from here to here, and 5 from here to here, then this part here is going to be 25 minus 5, which is 20. So now all we need to do is to add all of these up. So let's just try and find a logical order. So 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 plus 21 is 71. 72, 73, 74. And now I'm just going to do the 74 plus 18 using a column method. 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 carry the 1, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 92 centimetres. Moving on to question 5. So first of all, we need to convert all of the measurements into centimetres or millimetres. I think it's probably easier converting centimetres into millimetres because that involves multiplying rather than dividing. We're all better at multiplying than dividing. Remember that 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. So if you're converting centimetres to millimetres, we're multiplying by 10. So 8.2 multiplied by 10, that's 82. That's millimetres already, as is that. And 2.4 centimetres, 2.4 times 10, that is 24 millimetres. Now for the perimeter of this shape, we're just going to add all the side lengths together, but we don't know this side, this side, this side, or this side here. Now B is a square, so we've got a 24 and another 24. And since this is a rectangle, then this is going to be 32. So we just need to work out this side length here. We know it's 82 from here to here. And if it's 37 from here to here and 24 from this part to this part, then this distance here is just going to be 82 minus the 24 minus 37. And if you type that into a calculator, you'll end up with the answer of 21. So this part here is 21. So the perimeter is going to be the addition of all of these side lengths together, and 21 plus 24. Actually, I'm just going to make a note that I'm starting at this corner here and I'm adding up the sides in this order. I mean, it doesn't really matter which order, but you just want to make sure that you don't miss a side out or accidentally add one side twice. So I'm going 21 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 32 plus 82 plus 32, and that comes to a total of 276 millimetres. Question number 6. So we know that the perimeter is 28, but we want to work out the perimeter if this shape here has been removed. Well, actually, it's a bit of a trick question, really, because if this part here is 3 centimetres, then this part here is 3 centimetres. And if this part here is 3 centimetres, then this part here is also 3 centimetres. So actually, we've not altered the perimeter of the shape at all. But I think what they probably want you to do is, well, I would say probably an easier way, if you've not understood what I've done there, is work out the side length. So if it's 28 centimetres all the way round, then one side length is 7 centimetres. So we've got 7, 7. Here we've got 7 centimetres, but minus the 3, so that is going to be 4 centimetres, and the same applies up here. So this is 4 centimetres, and we know that this is a square, so that's 3, and that's 3 as well. So starting at a random point, I'm going to start here. 7 plus 7 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So the perimeter is 28 centimetres.